Hi guys, press like button, subscribe and comment and share this video among the world. And today I will continue to do it. So we basically touched VIM and yeah. So okay, I have some new comments. Me too. Okay, so we answered our comments and now let's continue. Okay. Okay. What are we at? Xmode as auto commands. So we are applying auto commands if they are existing, and here we're passing event. So auto commands that are triggered by this event will be applied, and false current buffer. So we are passing like current buffer. Okay. Um, Set PC mark. No way I understand it. When started with Q, jump to first error now. Okay, and this is interesting one because this is like about when you launch VIM with like some uh, compile maybe error, and it will actually jump. So here we can see how it actually jumps. Okay, jumps null, 0, 0, false. Again, this is strange, right? Because why does it jumps like to the constant position? It's strange. It's really strange. Maybe underneath this function is really getting some errors. So yeah, maybe this is like the index of the error. This is a file and this is index. If opened more than one window, start editing files in the other windows. No way I understand. Edit buffers. Param started. So what? Maybe the buffers are knowing when their directory. Not sure. Uh, okay, so what are we at? If open more than one window, start editing the files in other windows. Not understandable, sorry. Edit buffers. Okay, what does it mean? Started, vim free started. Params diff mode. Okay, so this is like feature diff, right? Vim diff. Okay, win t is actually creating a window. Um, for all windows, set options in each window for vim diff. Okay, okay, for all windows. Wow, nice comment, by the way. So this is a macro, as you can guess. Is it a macro? Yes, it's 100% a macro, and I like it. But for all windows, and we are basically passing a window, and this is quite strange, right? So no way, God, guys, I got it, I got it. For all windows, and we are passing a pointer, right? Or not a pointer. I mean, anyway, it's like we'll loop from the windows, and every window will be like a VP, WP. So here we just operate like on every window using this WP, okay? Diff window option. So it's like applying, and yeah, there is like a lot of, it can be a couple of windows for diff. Shorten any of the files, but only when absolute. Shorten only when absolute. When absolute. Why? But ah. I don't see any sense. Need to jump to the tag before executing "-c command. -c makes vim -c return t main. What is t main? Tag main, right? Tag main. So need to jump to the tag before executing. Okay, I can see. I can see. So basically, what you are saying is that like take me to the main function, right? And search return in the that function. Okay, I got it. I got you. Params tag name. Okay, so the if it's like a tag name, like if it's a main, swap exists did quiet. Okay, we are doing some printing stuff here, and I think it's like it's like a log of Vim that you can have. No, do cmd line cmd. Ah, okay. So here we are like creating a command, okay, and we say ta. So tag it. I don't know. So we are jumping to the tag. Okay. If the user doesn't want to edit the file, then we quiet here. What does it means? Execute any plus, minus c, and minus s argument. So we execute all of the arguments, right? Must come before the may. More very understandable. If term response must be done before redrawing puts a few characters on the screen. So this is probably some terminal specific stuff that we will not ever know. Redrawing disabled. Why? Redraw all later. Update not valid. Not valid. Return false. Auto change dir has been postponed. Is this a macro? So if term response, requesting the term response is postponed until here, so that a -cq argument doesn't make it appear in the shell Vim was started from. Well, it's like about making everything beautiful. Okay, start in insert mode. Insert mode. Need to start in insert mode. Why do you need to start in insert mode? Set Vim var and where? Vim did enter. What? What? Apply auto commands. Okay. So we are triggering events on vMenter. Okay, if defined clipboard and eval. What is eval by the way? Just default register name for named in clipboard. Can only be done after the clipboard is available. And all initial commands that may modify the clipboard setting command just before. Okay. If vimdiff when a startup reader session file set up for diffing and scroll bin, sync the scroll bin now. Okay. We need to sync scroll bin. Do we check if current window scroll? Why does it scroll? Okay, so this is like the so window can have a scroll. Okay. So if it's in div and it is scroll. Okay. Update top line. Top line. What is top line? Does Vim have a top line? Ah, maybe tabs. Well, maybe in Vim the div it has top. Check scroll bin. Okay. What is line? If we are in Windows and if we are in Windows, Vim DLL by the way. Set Win says now. Okay, if GUI when tab pages were created may need to update the tab pages line and scroll bar. This is skipped while creating them. Okay, GUI. Okay. Need mouse correct. If start insert command used stuff a dummy command to be able to call normal cmd which will then start insert mode. Stuff char. Okay, nope, nothing, right? Nope, by the way, is an assembly command for nothing. No operation. Restart edit. NetBeans. What? If defined feature, if we are GUI, right? NetBeans. What is NetBeans? Tells the client that it can start sending commands. NetBeans, who are you? Redraw at least once also when lazy redraw is set to make sure the window title gets updated. Yes, there is like lazy redraw and other stuff I think, but doesn't really matter. It's just redraw call the main command loop, this never returns. Oh my god, it never returns. It's like, you know, jokes about fathers, you know? Very sad. Initialization shared by main and some tests. We have a test. And this is right. You need to have a test, right? Okay, I will wash my hands to eat. No, no, common init, stack init, simdila init. Okay, so here is a bunch of inits, you know. Allocate space for generic buffers. No problem, man. Do what you need. Wait a moment. NetBeans. Okay, NetBeans is really using VIM. Set up to use the current local for setup and many other things. Okay, guys, I will go eat. Okay, guys, so okay, so what I got? Something this set up to use current locale for many other things. C type. What is C type? We don't have it, right? And many other things. And many other things. No translated messages with encoding other than Latin 1 will not work until set init 1 has been called. Okay. Okay, got it. Got it. GUI do fork. Wow. Default is to use fork. Do a first scan of the arguments in argv. I thought we already scanned them, right? Display or server, socket ID, window ID, early arg scan, and we pass these params. GUI prepare for possible starting GUI sometime. GUI prepare. Okay, so it's also parsing. Okay. Okay, clipboard. Clipboard. I don't like this one. Why it's false? Check if we have an interactive window. Here is the cool one on the Amiga. 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 What is Amiga? I mean, I know what is it, but man, are you real? Are you really? Yeah. The Amiga computer line, where the depends on the criteria. And the Amiga was a popular gaming platform. Okay. Yeah, it's definitely the good. Yeah. So, what is check if we have yeah Amiga. If there is no window, we open one with the new CLI command needed for okay dev what diff um is the TTI again. Okay, allocate the first window in a buffer. Okay. Allocate the first window in a buffer. Can't do anything with it. Exit when it fails. What? So we try to allocate, right? And of course we check this. Young. We need young buffers. And this is really strange because I thought young buffers can be all of our buffers. Okay. A list init. So this is some A list. Init the argument. Okay, it's argument list. Okay. Um, Set the default values for the options. Non-letting translated messages are working on after this because this is where has byte will be set, which is used by MSG blah blah blah. First, find out the home directory needed to expand. Okay, init home dir. Okay. Okay, that's right because I think we are getting, for example, config right files from the home. Okay, set language. Okay, set language. Not sure. Um, As I remember, signs are those like at the left. So when you, for example, use git or some stuff, it can show like pluses, minuses, very values. Return true when the not term argument was okay. Nice function. I don't see any point of it. Okay. And the same function, okay, but for GUI. By the way, like GUI is not a term. I'm not, or I'm wrong. Free. Okay, no comment here, so it's bad. It's minus. Um, if a GUI dialog file argument was given, return the return file name, otherwise return null. It's maybe when you like open yeah, maybe when you like use a GUI and you're opening file, there's a dialog and you would like change, so it is returning the file name, otherwise it will return null. When true in a safe state when starting to wait. What is a safe state? Please explain it. Return true if an operator was started but not finished yet. Includes typing account or register name. Okay, so this is happening when you, for example, press like 66666666666, right? Maybe. Okay. What is it? Finish. Is it a macro? Because if not, I don't understand how. Okay, maybe it's a variable. Just flag some flag. Okay, so operation count is like I showed you. Previous count. I don't have an idea. Op type. Nope. Okay. Anything interesting. So it's like a current status, right? Wait, if it's C doesn't have a bool type. Oh my god. Return whether currently is it safe, assuming it was a safe before high level state didn't change. What do you think, guys? I don't think anything. Trigger safe state if currently is in a safe state. That is safe is true and there is no type ahead. No idea. I just don't understand what is a safe state. That's all. I see that we are applying commands here. Because yeah, there is like event on the safe state. If there is an event on a safe state, probably we can read the Vim's documentation about safe state. Something changed which causes the state possibly to be unsafe. Character was typed. Maybe safe state is file is not safe. No, it will remain unsafe until the next call to my trigger safe state. State no longer safe. Reason. Oh, here is another thing, and I don't know how those things are working, but basically, yeah, there's some special word, and I guess you're defining them yourselves. Yeah, that's true. Okay, guys. I don't know why this one is here. Yeah, maybe I just changed something. Anyway, let's look for new commands and finish up this video. Because I will go to yeah. Anyway, I will continue tomorrow. And let's light. Yeah, and regarding this file that I will not, if I will probably reload my PC, I will just left a comment here saying lol kek cheburek. Yeah, so we will definitely not lose it. And I will upload this video right now, but first let's just answer comments. May we suggest ideas for next video, socket programming or C++? Um, okay. Okay, no problem. Yeah, let me actually note that. Okay. Okay, socket programming or C++. Okay. Socket programming or C++. Yeah, but um, yeah, and provide like specifics. Um, Окей. Олег, именуй ролики с конкретной темой происходящего видео. Так YouTube будет лучше продвигать контент. А еще оптимально завести отдельный канал для англоязычного контента. So basically he's saying like, окей, ладно, мне пофиг. Короче, просто прикол же в том, что я в видеоролике много чего делаю. То есть, ну, у меня сложно как-то конкретную тему. Поэтому так получается, сори. Ну и плюс скажи мне, какие теги типа ставить, потому что я хз вообще, что ставить. То есть Vim поставил вроде. А еще оптимально завести отдельный канал для англоязычного контента. Да я вообще только на англоязычном буду, то есть. Поэтому, в принципе, да. Ну ладно, я ответил на два, сейчас еще на английском. So yeah, so here a guy is asking like for putting better titles for a video and saying like to make a new channel with English content. Yeah, so the problem is that uh, I am too lazy to make two channels. It is not rational. Most program or programmer should understand basic English. I think I speak pretty simple. Plus, you see what I am showing. Okay. Which books would you recommend to study C? Um, yes, so I don't suggest any book. Personally, I did not read any book, and now I have another job. Yeah, but yeah, I mean, I, I don't suggest any book. So, but your question is like, what do you suggest? So I don't suggest any, to be honest. On the videos, I don't remember which one, but the last videos, um, yeah, like it's called Unix. My videos, last 3 or 4 or 5 videos, like called Unix and a number, and we are going basically like through the C book. It's like the most advanced book of C programming language. So, but actually, it is not like any. I did not like it is not needed at all. I mean, really, if you need something, you can like yeah, you can. I said that yeah, so that book was like a more like a descriptive documentation. So if you like really have some keyword or it's definitely not for the basics, but yeah, I mean for the basics, like if you don't like, if you have some task, you just like ask it for chat GPT or ask like your coworkers or I don't know. And if you have like some specific function that you want to understand more, then yes, you can use the book I was showing, but I think you can like also find it somewhere else, like on the web, right? Also like on the man page. Yeah, so a lot of C comments are actually on the main pages. So yeah, I don't suggest any book. So yeah, don't read it. So right now, like I will like currently I will just continue to upload videos where I'm just like browsing Vim code. So and I think it's perfect. I mean, I already talked that I like it. I like it. So far I really like it, and it's better than you can find any code in books, I guess. At least for that we read, like the most advanced C book, there was a code and it was not like having a commands like yeah. So it's yeah, just like watch my videos and you will learn C. Um, he uses guide from Stack Overflow. It depends on your level. Um,
I don't think it depends. I mean, we like today I also like watched another book and it was like it was marked as like advanced, but it was really like explaining, I don't know, some very stuff like yeah, so just watch my videos. I mean, if you have this chance, right? So why not? Um, yes, I think that's all comments. Okay, so um, thanks guys. Well, actually, yeah, let me show you the stats on my channel. So I have 86. Uh, it's like growing every day, I think. And yeah, I don't know. Let's just show you some graph. Okay, so here is a graph. It's not very cool, but yeah, because it's showing like whole period. But here you can see the yeah. Okay, so here we can see some graphs. So I got 100, nearly 2K of viewers on 2 days. Mm, yeah, unfortunately, this is not the latest videos. Yeah, unfortunately. Okay, guys, so subscribe to my channel, press like button, uh, leave a comment, share this video with your friends, right? If you have them, right? I I am not counting as a friend, by the way. Okay, bye, guys.